Today I'm gonna have a mukbang with my husband. I made the big rib. We call Haewundae. Haewundae is one of the Busan's the little village. Name is Haewundae. Haewundae Wang Galbi. Wang means king. King Galbi, which means big rib. And this is army soup, the Budaejjigae. And I'm gonna put some instant noodle there. That's the Korean way to eat it. So let's dig in. I'm so hungry. I marinated this rib last night for it took me 3 hours to do that. I mean, very simple, but it looks very simple, but it's a lot of work actually. I marinate the chicken breast as well. Okay, let's cut it. Let's cut the meat. I eat it. Oh, these days I'm eating a lot of meat. These days. Sunshine the chicken. Oh. Okay. So good. Mmm. Army soup is so good. I told you about the history of army soup. You can check my other video, okay? The history of army soup. So now I'm gonna put some ramen there and to continue mukbang, okay? I'll see you soon. See you later. Bye.